Hello, I'm going to show you how to make a spelling test using Google Forms. What's nice is you won't need to spend time grading spelling tests, and you'll get a full class report of how your students are doing. This will save you time and allow you more clearly to analyze your assessments. In the email sent to you, you will find a link to copy the spelling test form. This template has already been formatted to save you time in setting up. First thing you'll want to do is change the title to reflect which spelling test you are giving. Now you can add the spelling answers. What's important to remember is that you'll need to create the order of the spelling questions consistent with the order you'll be speaking them to the students. The questions are titled with a number for the students to refer to as you read. Click on the blue answer key link. Type in the correct spelling of the word. Remember that the spelling words are case sensitive, so students may not use capital letters unless it is capitalized in the answer key. Click Edit Question to leave the answer key. I have created 20 questions. To create a new question, you can click Duplicate Question. This will help you avoid the formatting of additional questions. You may also delete a question by clicking the trash button for that question. When you are finished adding or removing questions, click on the Send button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the link image header, click Copy, and post it to Google Classroom, Neo, or push it to your class with Apple Classroom. You can also shorten the URL and just have your class type it in their browser. The next time you make a spelling test, open the previous spelling test, make a copy of it, change the question answers and title of the spelling test, and you won't need to worry about all the formatting. Here's what your students will see when they take the test. After they are finished with the test, students can also choose to get an email summary of their test results. For the teacher to view your class's scores, go back to your Google form. Click Responses. From here you will see a class summary with a graph and class spellings of each word. If you click the tab question, you can see which questions gave students the most trouble, and if you click the individual tab, you can review how each student spelled each word. You can also see this data in a spreadsheet by clicking the spreadsheet icon. Have more questions or need help? Contact your tech coach, or even better yet, invite one to your next grade level PLC. Thank you.